DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides, or you can say deoxyribonucleotides are the building blocks of a DNA molecule. What is a deoxyribonucleotide? Deoxyribonucleotide is composed of three components, and these are deoxyribose, nitrogenous base, and a phosphoric acid. So, first component, deoxyribose. Deoxyribose sugar is a pentose sugar derivative. It is derived from ribose sugar. Here you can say this is ribose sugar. And look at the numbering. Although this sugar is numbered conventionally, but only a prime designation is added. So this is 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime and 5 prime carbons. So if this is ribose, so if at 2 prime one oxygen is removed, this ribose sugar becomes deoxyribose. So at 2 prime position one oxygen is missing, so this is deoxyribose sugar. So this is one component of deoxyribonucleotide. The second component is the nitrogenous base. 4 different types of nitrogenous bases are present in a DNA molecule, and these 4 nitrogenous bases, they are derived from 2 parent compounds, and these 2 parent compounds are purines and pyrimidine. These 2 are parent compounds, and the rest, all the nitrogenous bases, 4 nitrogenous bases, are derived from these 2 compounds. So these 2, adenine and guanine, these 2 are purines. So look at the pictures. There are only minor differences. For example, difference lies here and here. So these adenine and guanine are derivatives of a parent compound purine. Look at the numbering. Again, they are conventionally numbered, but here no prime designation is given to distinguish this from the numbered atoms in the pentose sugar. So next 2 are pyrimidines, and these are cytosine and thymine. Again, these 2 are slightly different from each other. For example, difference is here and here. So these 2 are derivatives of pyrimidines. The third component present in a deoxyribonucleotide is phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid has 3 hydroxyl groups, so it can form 3 bonds with other molecules. So all these 3 components, that is a deoxyribose sugar, a nitrogenous base and a phosphoric acid, they combine together and they make a deoxyribonucleotide, which is the building block of the DNA molecule.